free Palestine, from the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. Oh, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Maryam Jazeem, and Alhamdulillah, it is National Palestine Flag Day. Alhamdulillah, and it is really great, and that's why I am wearing this to show my support for Palestine and for everyone in Palestine who is really suffering and going through all that is going through in the problems right now, inshallah. So that's why let's make a dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Ya Rahman Ya Rahim, Ya Allah, please make it easy for the people of Palestine, Ya Allah, to get their land back, inshallah, for the kids of Palestine to live free and happy, just like I do and just like we do, alhamdulillah. So that's why now that is National Palestine Day, National Palestine Flag Day, inshallah ta'ala. So everyone, please get your Palestine flags out and be loud and be proud, and you need to show your support to Palestine, inshallah ta'ala. Don't just shy away from the crowd. You need to show your support, whatever the laws and things that any kind of government is doing, we will show our support, because the Palestine people are right, inshallah ta'ala, in every way. And if you do not if you don't agree with me, please do check your history or go back to the history class. Thank you very much. So anyway, jazakallahu khairan, and let's remember, free Palestine, from the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. You can hear my dad on the way. So inshallah ta'ala, today is National Palestine Flag Day, and let's all remember that, and I'll see you soon. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Free Palestine.